Network Entertainment.
Did you wake up with a silver spoon?
Welcome to the Wake Up Step Podcast! I don't know if you saw it on my Instagram stories, but I posted yung when I sent a note to myself about a topic on the pod. So a lot of people reacted to that. I think they can't wait to hear about it. Basta yung nilagay kong notes sa sarili ko is bitch in the elevator at Medical City. So let's
Okay.
get into it.
Okay.
Okay? Medical City. I was there
This
for
should be the title.
Yeah. Totoo. So, I was there for a consult. First time ko dun sa Medical Arts Tower nila. Oh, maganda pala dun ah.
Okay.
Anyway, daming small talk. Sa basement ako. So, walang tao. Siguro mga 3 pa lang kaming pumapasok. Okay? Pasok ako. There was a lady already nasa harap ng buttons. PSA. Kung tatambay ka, kung pupwesto ka sa harap ng buttons ng elevator, you have to have kailangan customer service appeal ka.
What do you mean? Yung job?
Meaning like you gotta be, willing to help.
Yung work? Hindi, I mean, are
It
you
wasn't
saying...
her job.
You're not saying that the people who... She
Kung
was
pupwesto ka
she
dun.
was not an employee.
She was not an
nakapwesto siya.
employee.
Okay.
Pumasok siya before me, pumwesto siya dun sa harap ng only
Okay.
buttons na pwedeng i-press. And then, pasok ako, sabi ko, 18 please. Tapos nakaano lang siya. She was holding like her ID for something. And then, hindi siya a hospital employee, okay? But she had an ID. And then, her ID was just on the open door button. So, kaganon lang siya. So, pumasok na yung mga tao. And then I just repeated myself. Kasi hindi ako in-acknowledge it. I didn't, because of my personal space thing, I didn't want to go like, in front of her. Because she was like right there. So I said, 18 please. Nicely.
And I can attest to that.
Nicely.
Ganyan lang kasi sab.
And then she says, teka lang, inaano ko pa yung open button. Binubuksan ko pa. So sabi ko, okay, hindi ko kasi alam kasi hindi naman kayo nag-acknowledge. Ang sa sinabi ko. It's ganito ginawa niya. As in, with her ID thing. It's like, as in, pack. As in, nagdabog siya.
Okay.
And I was just like, what the freak?
Baka nga employee siya of the hospital.
Hindi, kasi lumabas siya before me eh. She went somewhere, she wasn't in uniform.
But she doesn't work at the hospital.
She doesn't work at the... Ang point ko lang, is like, come on. Hindi ba? Hindi, seryoso. If ayaw mong tumulong sa ibang tao, huwag ka pumesto dyan. Yun yung point ko.
True.
If you want the privilege of being near the exit and entrance of the elevator, well, you've got to, be okay. Sige po, teka lang po. Like, I don't know. For me, it's like, why do you have to be a bitch?
True.
Diba?
Yeah.
Honestly, if nakulitan siya sa akin when I said 18 please twice, she could have just said, ay, wait lang po. Nicely. But she was like, as in, nainis siya sa akin. How
did it make you feel?
Okay lang, sakto lang. So, I was so pissed off. As in like, tinabihan ko siya after. I was so petty. As in, tinabihan ko siya.
Tapos?
Kasi I was like, hindi ako takot sa'yo.
Nice.
Tapos ginanon ko siya. Ano? Personal space? Joke. Tapos ginanon. Every time may papasok ako, anong number? No, joke lang. So, yes. Here it is. If you want to stay right by the buttons, be nice.
Okay.
That's like my stormbreaker for this episode.
That's very, very, very true.
I mean, be nice regardless. But like, if you're gonna stay there, be extra nice.
Yeah.
You don't gotta be a bitch.
Yeah. Today, we're gonna do a malibag.
Okay.
We're gonna do a malibag, but before that, I wanted to talk about food.
Okay.
Okay? And dating.
Okay.
Okay? The levels of dating and the food involved. Okay?
Okay.
Okay?
May kasama bang reklamo to?
What do you mean?
Sa experience mo sa eating food ngayon? That we've been married 10 years?
No, I like cooking.
Okay. Kala ko may parating na ano eh.
Hindi. I'm talking about like the life stages of food in a couple.
Okay.
Ikaw, what would be your recommendation pag first date?
For a
For
dinner?
food.
For a dinner?
For dinner.
A restaurant.
Restaurant. Anong type? Ang daming restaurant, sabi.
Ha?
Maraming restaurant, sabi. Be more specific.
Kahit saan.
Hindi, I mean like, okay.
Depende
Here.
sa what type
Super
of couple
ano ba?
guys are. What's the ano
Like,
sila?
kunwari,
Ano?
let's say you were on Bumble
Okay.
and nakailang chat na kayo and mukhang, medyo click to.
Okay, anong budget? It depends It depends kasi talaga kung wari like
I wish we had a single person here kasi at least we could ask like, paano na ba yun? Like,
sad, bittersweet that Manny is no longer single. Manny just got married. He was our single, the voice of single people.
should call
Congratulations,
Let's
Manny.
call him.
But Manny is married.
He was recently single.
Okay, sige. Congratulations, Manny and Therese.
let's call him.
So fun. We went to their wedding. Na-reject ka? Hayop yan ha. The joke.
Okay.
What are you gonna ask him?
Like,
Oh no. Always on the spot. Like he has, I feel like he's at work or something
I could just imagine him like looking at his phone
and not answering. I would be like,
seeing it's me.
Hello?
Yo, Manny.
Yo.
Hey, Manny. You're on the pod.
Oh, shit. Wait lang. Lalabas ako.
Quick question lang. Sorry, hotline. Since we talked about kasi your wedding and you got married.
Hello.
congratulations.
Sorry. Hello.
Yeah,
Yes. Thank
yan,
you.
Manny. We talked about your wedding but you were single recently during the Bumble era, right?
Yes.
Okay. So ang tanong is, let's say kunwari
You're not even gonna ask if he's busy or anything.
Wait. He's the hotline. He's the hotline.
Oh my God. Okay.
So Manny, kasi we're talking about the stages of food in a relationship.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So, let's say kunwari magfo-first date kayo. Ikaw kunwari, nung mag-first date kayo ni Therese kunwari or whatever. How do you ask like parang kasi we're talking about paano yun? Pag-usapan niyo ba yung budget? Sino magbabayad? Paano yun?
First date?
First date sa Bumble or whatever.
As a Bumble, well, I'm actually that. I never used Bumble.
Basta first date.
Dapat si Ali pala. Si Ali.
I did it.
Bumble.
Okay lang yun. Okay lang. It doesn't matter if it's Bumble or it's not. Nung
Hayop si Manny na nagkaasawa nang hindi nag-Bumble.
Wait.
Ikaw na.
Wait lang. Nagka-first date kayo ni Therese, di ba?
Yes.
Oh, so nung first date nyo, paano nyo pinag-usapan yung parang,
Where are you gonna meet? Ganon.
yung food. Food lang muna.
Yung food.
Bayaran.
Bayaran? We need namin pinag-usapan. I paid for it if I remember correctly.
You're a liar. You did not pay for it.
Of course
It was
he did.
COVID, and it was the first date after COVID, so I think I paid.
Okay. And did she offer?
Yes.
So, baka naman millennial na tayo masyado na we still pay for stuff. Kasi
Yes.
di ba?
I agree with that.
Like sila Enzo and the younger ones, parang hindi na normal yun eh.
Yung kailangan half-half.
Oo, kailangan half-half
Oo.
or
Which is really nice, I think.
Oo. Pero sige, so last, if you were to go on a first date with Therese again, let's say you guys met on Bumble, where
Okay.
Kailangan
eating food-wise and vibe-wise, where would you have taken her?
Makati.
What restaurant?
Japanese.
What restaurant?
Baka Nihon.
Nihon. Di bang ingay?
No?
Okay nga yun. Sakto ang Nihon.
I think it's great kasi parang
It's close to other stuff.
punk
may
rock.
bowling alley, may green belt.
Magaling to.
Magaling.
Magaling.
Sasagutin ka niyan.
Okay.
Thanks, Manny.
Papasa na kanya. Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations again.
Bye.
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 Ganda ng Nihon. I think that's the first date food talaga. Dapat it should be a bit noisy.
Yeah,
It
parang
should-
hindi siya
Hindi siya pressure.
hindi siya nakaka-pressure.
Kasi kung agad-agad mag-ano kayo, saan tayo kumain?
yung sobrang dim na
Saan tayo
fancy.
kumain recently?
Ano
Yung
tayo
parang
pangalan?
may
Ano
bagong
pangalan?
wildflower na
Ano
sa
pangalan?
podium.
Oh my gosh.
Pornograph.
Hindi
Pornography.
pornography.
I'm not kidding. That's the play. That's the play,
Hindi
sabi.
siya pornography.
That's the
oh
play.
my gosh, no, it's forno. Fornication. Wali. Anyway.
Okay, so that's tama. If it's like, parang ano pa mang masyadong madilim. Let's say, like what, fun ng
Yung pang madilim pang ano yun, pang kabit, gano'n. So, madilim.
Grand Hyatt, The Peak.
I've
Yun.
never been there.
Yeah. So, that's where Manny and I kasi had our the night before the wedding. Yeah. So, first time ko nakita dun,
Kamusta?
parang The Matrix.
The Matrix.
Talagang The Matrix.
Like with the crowd?
I mean, yeah.
We, puno.
As in, me and Manny kasi, so,
Puno.
ito. So we went there, I said, I want drinks, and then it's a tradition of ours that Manny and I have like in a very, very, very special celebration, we'll have like cigars.
Mm.
So we're having cigars, and we wanted to do cigars and whiskey.
Okay. You're like, man, we're two men. We gotta show our masculinity. We're not on a date. We've got cigars.
I know. But nakakatawa kasi going up the place, medyo ganun nga yung vibe. Like, so this is gonna be weird, man. Because like,
Why?
it was like very, very, very dim and like one light. Ganung type. Tas magkaharap yung chair.
Okay.
Ay, wala namang problem doon.
Yeah,
I wouldn't have a problem with that. But anyway, on the way up, I was like, what a nice, I'd love to bring Sab here. Eh, nung tinanong ko, saan pwede, we'll have cigars. Sabi, here, sa so paakyat, biglang tan 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 tan. As in talagang lights, tapos parang
Silo vibes,
parang
gano'n?
hindi siya silo vibes eh. Parang there were different sections sa taas-taas nung the peak of the peak. There were different sections na parang mga sofa na talagang parang everyone looked rich. Everyone looked, but so they're like partying.
Were they
Natago-
expats?
Parang basta sure ball, that's dun lahat ng mga flood control. I mean, politicians, like, ang dali nun. If you go there, then you mag-bill ka ng 100,000.
Anong age?
Medyo 30, 40s. Ganun, 40s. And Manny and I, kasi we were both in linya-linya shirts and like shorts.
Were you judged?
Merge. And everyone was tall. As in, everyone that
Baka naman may platform lang doon.
No. Everyone I encountered, the top of my head was their waist.
Oy. Oy.
As in, like, me and Manny, all we would see were legs. Puro legs lang.
Higante. Ano yan, Goliath? No, it's so cute because we were reading David and Goliath for Vita's homeschool, and then he calls it Goliath.
Okay. So, well, anyway. So, tama. First date, ganon. Medyo magandang punk rock. Like, pwede kayo ano maganda? Ano yun? Yung Mexican place na laki ko.
El Chupacabra.
El Chupacabra.
Baka Kodawari is nice.
Kodawari is nice. Big
like
Fuzz.
oh, yes.
Hindi, dim ng Big
Medyo
Fuzz.
on a weekend siguro.
On a weekend, Big Fuzz, perfect. Pero hindi, pag weeknight, sakto lang kasi the music naman.
Yes.
It depends
rock and
naman sa
roll,
music
yeah.
Parang, yung tinutugtog sa Big Fuzz, 70s rock and roll. So parang, ibang-iba naman yun sa...
Anong plano mo? Anong 5-year plan
Hold
mo?
me close and hold me.
Yeah, true.
Diba? So, so we had, you could do that. You could do, alam ko.
Ano? Are we the ones to talk about this? We don't even know what the latest restaurant is.
Oh, I think we do.
Oh, wow, hayop. Ako hindi.
I think we do.
I have no know-how of all this.
Pangit na first date, Fogo de Chao.
Bakit?
Kasi, it's like, it's
so noisy.
So, hindi, sobra ka nagbababoy. So, guys,
Pawis na pawis ka.
kasi ako nag-meat sweat. So the first, marang, I'm sure you guys have seen these yung mga Brazilian meats thing na the guy keeps coming to you and giving you meat. Then you actually have to have a pin that says yes or no.
I completely forgot about that yes or no
Yeah.
thing. Asar ako na they kept asking me na, do you want some more? So, I'm in the middle of my story.
Well, ako sobrang enjoy
of course,
ko.
I didn't say that. But.
So, but I could imagine like first date, like parang, kasi yun yan, nung time when we were eating there, kasi gusto ko talaga kainin.
Pero enough na lang yung aircon.
Tingin mo?
Feeling ko, everybody in our table thought na parang enough na yung aircon.
So anyway.
It's either enough na yung aircon o sobrang baboy lang natin.
I
tas
think,
nag-meat sweats
so
tayo.
kung ano pangit mag-Vikings, right? Like, weird dun.
For a first date.
Di ba? Vikings, o ano kayo, Saisaki. Right? That's weird.
Parang weird. Parang it depends.
Manam naman is like too tita.
Para kayong nag-Mary Grace. First day. Pero G ako dun. Ensaymada tsaka hot chocolate. I guess it depends on your age. Oh.
Hindi, I guess ano rin I think it's too bright Parang for me, crucial kasi yung light and yung music Right?
Okay.
Like I'd rather, if I were on a first date, I'd say, hey, you wanna go to La Union?
Yuck feeling.
Bakit?
First date, out of town kayo, creep.
Sabi ko, hey, you wanna gusto mo mag-coffee sa La Union? That's cute, di ba?
Bilan mo ko, hindi kita kilala.
You'd find it cool. Come on.
No.
We?
Pupunta tayong La Union?
Sabi ko, gusto mo La Union?
Iisipin ko parang, ano ba ito? Wala ka bang trabaho?
Sabi ko,
Weekend naman, gano'n.
Parang, parang,
That's so, I feel like it's entrapment because I would be stuck in a car with a guy for like a long time.
That's pretty,
That's
but it's
intense.
it's a cool way to.
It's too intense.
That's true.
It's love bombing.
Yeah. That would be so horrible if pangit. Like imagine if the first 30 minutes was bad.
Pwede ka magbalikan ng La Union? Parang,
Kaya.
pa naman kung Tagaytay.
Tagaytay.
Pero medyo, for me, also love bombing yun. Kasi parang, pwede relax.
Pwede mo sabihin like, gusto mo mag-box?
Ano, Starbucks? Okay.
Sa TG?
Can you talk normally?
Why?
Kasi yun ang TG, Tagaytay?
Tagaytay.
Kainis.
Why?
First of all, kung magsa-Starbucks lang rin naman, dito na lang. Tanin mo ako Tagaytay para mag-Starbucks. High maintenance.
So, okay. Tama I think it's lighting and whatever. And then the middle of a relationship, obviously that's the, ano tayo, grab?
Hindi, middle of the relationship. Yun yung getting to know you. Like,
Hindi, middle, middle is dating na.
Hindi, yun na nga. So, for me, yun yung mas a little fancier.
First 2 months, ganon. First 3 months, yeah.
Grabe naman, ganon ka, So, wala na, the spark is gone, ganon.
No. Ako nga baliktad
Oo.
Baliktad ako. Ang my theory of the levels of food and dating is punk rock, then you start becoming comfortable.
This is the ideal one. Kasi a lot of people, best foot forward, sobrang mahal ng first date. Diba?
Ako, yeah. And then I guess siguro naisip ko kasi because as you grow old together, you become better partners, then you'd have actually more money to spend for
Where did
nicer.
you go with your ex-girlfriends?
Fazoli's.
Like, as in, date?
Yeah, all the time. Fazoli's, Jollibee, Pasto.
Like, first date? First date?
Yeah, first date.
Jollibee, first date?
Parang.
I guess kung friends kayo before naging kayo. Ganun.
Hindi. None of them were friends.
Ay, sad.
Yeah.
I can't remember.
Pero yun, I think, it depends Like, kunwari, you could say, pwede ka naman mag-Army, Navy. Pero,
of course, obviously, we're talking about this life stage na after college na, right?
yeah. Sorry,
iba naman,
that's what we have to clear up. Kasi yung okay, pero parang lighting-wise, and it always depends on the time. Right? So, let's say mag-Army, Navy ka, pero sa labas.
If gusto niya ng consultation, book Jim for a consultation. He will, ano mong tawag doon? He will just come up with a whole first date plan for you. With, even template text messages. Sobrang scam. Just kidding.
Okay. So,
Magmalibag
we're gonna
tayo.
go to the Malibag.
Hi, Pod Mom and Pod Dad. I just want to share my relationship kasi sobrang gulo na and I don't know if I'm just being OA at kung tama lang ba yung decision ko. Sorry in advance, long malibag ahead. Please keep this anonymous in case you read this on the podcast.
Sorry, before that, I just want to remind you guys that we do have a promo code on linyalinya.ph.
Sobrang walang segue.
It is hot water.
Oh yeah.
Right? Hot water.
Until when is this?
This is until December 31.
Ooh.
You get a special discount. So buy all your gifts at Linya Linya. May kasamang, you could, on the website, you can actually choose the card. Parang write a letter and choose a
sticker
or a card. Para
Cool.
so everything's personalized. So yun. Hot water, one word. Okay.
All caps?
All caps.
Okay. My partner, male 26, and I, female 25, have been together for more than a year. Early on, I found out na he'd share our issues with his close friends, parang survey vibes, asking for their opinions. The part that really bothered me was this particular girl best friend. I haven't even met her, pero may impression agad siya about me based on his side of the story. I hated that so much to the point na I asked him to block and delete their convo. I told him I didn't like na he'd talk about our problems with her. Lalo na kasi siya pa yung nagsasabi ng private person daw siya, kaya ayaw niya akong i-post on social media. Red flag!
Si Guy yung nagsasabi na?
Ang weird lang, ayaw sa public pero okay to vent to her friends. To his friends. Wait, simple. Tama ba with her? I think his. Okay, sorry. Fast forward, a few months later, we had a big fight about his suspicious co-intern.
Iba pa. Wow.
Iba pa to?
I mean, iba pa yung pinaghihinangaan niya.
He got really aggressive, like raising his voice, blaming me for everything, so I broke up with him. That's when he said I was being crazy, possessive, and controlling. He also admitted na a few weeks before our fight, the girl best friend called him and he told her he wanted to reconnect with his friends daw. Pero honestly, siya lang naman yung issue sa akin, not the others. Okay.
That's good.
Nagets mo yun?
Yeah.
Okay. The same night we broke up, he was already talking to her again, but I didn't know pa how their conversation went. Eventually, ako pa yung nakipagbalikan and begged na ayusin pa namin. Nagkabalikan pa kami. I even told him okay lang to reconnect with his friends. I even reached out to her, tried Facebook Messenger first, but I was already blocked. So I messaged her on IG instead, telling her I wanted to start fresh and hopefully get to know her better. I even found myself apologizing as if I was the problem just because I didn't want to be in the way of their friendship. She ignored my message. When I told him, he even defended her, saying I couldn't really blame her because of the impression she already had of me and that we don't have control over it anymore. And here's the kicker. After I reached out, she even dared to ask my partner to hang out, just the two of them. Ayaw mag-reply sa akin pero gusto makipagkita na silang dalawa lang. At least when I expressed how I felt, my partner respected it and said ayaw rin naman niya na silang dalawa lang. Turns out, the night of our breakup, he was also sending her screenshots of our convo and venting to her, telling her na he was so decided to end things with me. The girl even told him na I'm insecure, toxic, and that our relationship is unhealthy. He even shared with her details like how I was crying on our call. Ang sakit lang din talaga sa part ko. And just to be clear, my gut was right about his co-intern being shady. I met them and my girl instincts were spot on, so it wasn't just me being insecure, possessive, or crazy like what they thought. I felt so relieved. After everything, I told him na I'd rather know the truth than be lied to. And I already said to him multiple times na ayoko yung nagtatago sa akin. He promised me na wala na siyang ikukwento sa iba at itatago from me. Pero after what I found out, parang trust was ruined again. Still, I didn't end things with him. I asked him to choose between me and her. He kept looking for other options, pero eventually, he blocked her and restricted her on Messenger. Ayaw daw niya akong i-let go kasi he can see how much I love him since I've made improvements with some of our issues. We were doing okay na talaga sana eh. I can't help but feel betrayed and disrespected, not just by him but also by her. What happened to girl code? Isn't it an unspoken rule na once someone has a partner, you respect that boundary? He already did this not once but twice. What are the odds he might do it again? What are the odds he'll blame me again? For now, I'm just really trying to trust him till he proves na worth it pa yung laban. Am I just being too much or do I have the right to feel this way? Thank you Pod Mom and Pod Dad for hearing me out as a Podvice in advance. Gusto ko yung Podvice. Appreciate you both. Iwan mo na yan! I'm sorry you're going through this. But if you really want, my harsh, advice would be, iwan mo na yan. You're 25. Iwan mo na yan. Yun lang.
Wait.
Iwan mo na yan. Iwan mo na yan. 1 year, iwan mo na yan.
Wait.
Iwan mo na yan.
Wait.
I'm sorry.
Ako,
Seriously though. Sige, go.
to devil's advocate. Okay. What
Galing.
if, devil's advocate. Okay, just for the sake of conversation.
Okay. Sige, game.
What if this girl is like how Candy is to our bandmates, to our best friends? So like, for example, Enzo's best friend is, we're all best friends in our band, and there's guys and girls. So what if like Manny and Candy, and then
Oh, Candy absolutely respected the girlfriends.
that's true.
Like because she would always ride with the boys or us
Yeah.
going home from a gig because it just makes sense, right?
Yeah.
But there came a time na nagka-girlfriend na and like she knew it would baka, bago pa lang sila ng girlfriend, then she would really look for like ibang way instead
So
of
what
riding
did
with
what did this girl best friend do wrong?
I think it's the fact na I don't even want to look at the girl best friend because I feel like she's not relevant in the situation.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I don't want to judge her or anything. It's your boyfriend that we should look at.
Agree.
Like I don't.
Kasi
wala akong
parang
pake dun sa girl.
based sa story the girlfriend, the girl best friend is
The
just
GBF.
reacting.
Just
Reacting like message ako ng kaibigan ko na sira ulo tong girlfriend ko. Oh, so she's like, oh yeah, that's crazy shit.
Yeah.
Diba? That's what she's doing, right?
Yeah.
And then siguro
Bakit ka naman niya ipagtatanggol? Hindi ka naman niya kaibigan, 'di ba? Siyempre sa side niya yung friend
that's
niya.
true. That's true. Si
Diba?
GBF ay but we're not saying that GBF has no fault, right?
I think for ako trying to look at it this way. If I had a friend, sa best friend sila, 'di ba? Na nag-message sa akin,
A guy, you mean a guy friend?
feeling ko I don't mean to be condescending, but I remember how I was at 25. I wasn't as, I hadn't had that many experience for me to know now to be like, excuse me, kung parang bakit I don't want to know what your issues are, right? For me, siguro ang important sa akin at that time, before now that I'm a mother and everything, and a wife, it would be like my friends are the best things
that's
in my
true.
life,
That's
and they're the
true.
most important things in my life. And my friend is asking me for advice, and this girl is so jealous of me na wala naman anything, just in case, right?
True.
I would really be like, oh my God. Just like I'm telling you, letter sender, iwan mo na yan, because biased ako sa'yo. Ikaw yung nag-send ng letter sa amin eh. She'd also be like that to her friend na
True.
toxic naman yan. She has nothing, she doesn't owe you anything. Just because you're of the same gender doesn't mean, parang...
So there is no girl...
I do like the boundaries respected,
Yeah.
regardless of your gender.
Yes.
I don't want to label it as girl code, bro code, because those things just, they have for me personally, medyo may siya sa akin. Hindi ko gusto yung terms na yun. So definitely boundaries should be respected, but I think it should be more sa part ng boyfriend mo to be the one to explain it to his friends if hindi nagagets ng friends. Kasi for me, ang crossing boundaries is siya yung, hey, hang out tayo. Pero kung siya yung sinesenda ng messages and screenshots, parang, girl, ano?
True.
Diba?
If si girl best friend is the one who's like, hey, bakit hindi ka pumunta sa ganyan? Yun yung I think that's
Or
crossing
punta ka
boundaries.
dito sa condo ko.
Punta ka dito
kahit may
sa
girlfriend
condo ko.
ka.
Oo,
That's
parang,
like, diba?
Bakit hindi ka na nagpapakita?
Okay lang naman
Ay,
yun kung group naman kayo,
Kung
diba?
group.
Yeah.
Kung group, yeah.
Kasi honestly, if he wasn't sending those screenshots and if he wasn't venting to her and she was doing those things, I feel like you wouldn't be so angry because she's just a friend, right? Na,
Yeah.
uy, miss ka na namin, tambay tayo. Dalhin mo si whatever, dalhin mo si girlfriend.
So, why, let's go back to...
Kaya ako sinasabing iwan mo na yan.
Bakit?
Well, okay, sige, fine. I'll be nicer. You can do one of two things. One, you gotta talk to him and be very clear about what you would like. And it's not just about blocking, and not because that's controlling his friendships
That's true,
and his
that's true.
relationships and his actions. It's more about communicating what's going on, how are you feeling, and how can he help you. Because I've been there. I've been an insecure girlfriend. I've been very jealous. And it was more about how I was feeling about myself, and napaproject ko siya sa partner ko na, oh my God, you don't think I'm perfect, so you're looking for other things, And I think if I was able to express, or like also, if I was able to express that to my boyfriend at the time, na this is how I'm feeling, I don't know, I feel embarrassed when you share those things, because those things are supposed to be our issues just between you and me. And when you share it outside of us, it feels like our relationship is not that serious, because gets mo, like,
Ganda.
how would you feel if it was the other way around? Na I'm venting, I'm sending screenshots. Screenshots are a big no-no, ha?
Yeah.
Lalo na kung like you're in a committed relationship and then I'm like, Even if like it's to a friend na parang tinan mo yung
that's so
sin ni
weird.
Jim, sobrang labo. Like what?
We have, in fairness,
It's a betrayal.
That's weird, yeah.
It's a betrayal. I would never even screenshot my best friend's messages to me. You know, it's just weird. So you must give your boundaries to your, but without it's hard
Gets
to say.
ko eh.
Kasi you can't say like i-block mo siya, huwag mo na siya i-friend.
Yeah.
Because that's like
So,
iiwan ka niyan. So
or parang I think yung point mo is pa-block mo, you will have him block the girl, pero you don't do what Sab just said and express yourself, be honest, then the problem will just persist. Like he'll eventually find a way, or there will be a new girl best friend, or there's gonna be a new intern because he doesn't understand how it's making you feel. So I think the better test is not kaya ba niyang hindi i-text tong girl na to in the next year. I think the better test is how will he respond to me saying na this is how I feel and blah 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 blah.
Yeah.
Diba?
I think you're not gonna like what I'm gonna say, but what worked for me when I was going through that is really having time for myself. That's why sinasabi kong iwan mo na yan. Not because I think you're 100% correct and it's like wala kang kasalanan dito. Kasi I feel like it's not his responsibility to make you feel, it's not his pure responsibility to make you feel like you're, parang to validate you forever. Kasi ang bigat naman nun, diba, as a person, kung ikaw talagang low self-esteem ka. Kaya I think it's better if you, mukhang hindi talaga kayo nagkakaintindihan eh. If ganito kahirap, parang, and you're at your prime, kasi sabi ko like, maybe put it on pause or whatever, end it, and try to figure things out about yourself and about your self-worth and your own issues before you even try to get in a relationship.
Yeah.
Tama ba?
Yes. Agree.
Easy to say but hard to do. But
Completely
it's the
agree.
truth. It's the truth.
All right. Bye.
Iwan mo na yan.
Bye.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.